Congratulations on the purchase of a professional-grade Rainbird impact sprinkler. This impact sprinkler can replace any major brand on the market. This video describes how to set the watering pattern. The throw pattern on an impact sprinkler may be adjusted from 20 degrees to 360 degrees. You may adjust the throw pattern while the water is on or off. To adjust the throw pattern, use a screwdriver to lift the internal assembly out of the sprinkler body until you can hold it with your hand. Rotate the arc adjustment stops, located on the collar below the impact assembly, to the desired left and right positions. The arc adjustment stops trigger direction reversal of the sprinkler pattern when they flip the sprinkler's trip pin. Test the pattern by rotating the spray assembly left and right to trip the pin while observing the spray arc. For a 360-degree watering pattern, flip up the trip pin located on the spray assembly just above the arc adjustment stops. When you are satisfied with the spray pattern, drop the internal assembly back into the sprinkler body.